So here are 5 things I wish I knew sooner. Number 1, degrees open doors, but depth builds authority. My studies mattered, and my PhD definitely mattered. All the international workshops I attended mattered. But what truly shaped me was sitting across 2,500 human beings navigating trauma and anxiety and financial strain and identity struggles and performance pressure. And so books teach theory, people teach wisdom, and experience builds mastery. Number 2, invest in yourself. You should be your greatest asset. So early on I thought, once I qualified, that was enough. It wasn't. New tools, new strategies, new research, new perspectives. Growth never stops, especially in a field that works with human behavior, the brain, and the nervous system. So material things can be taken away. Your knowledge, your skills, your experiences cannot. And so the best investment I ever made wasn't property or possessions. It was becoming better at what I do. Number 3, excellence is not enough. You must learn to market. And so for years, I believed word of mouth would be enough. And while it helped, I eventually realized something important. Gaining knowledge is step 1, but building impact requires visibility. We live in a digital era, and if you don't communicate your value, someone less experienced, with less knowledge, but more visible will. So marketing isn't ego, it's stewardship of your gift. And so if you want to grow exponentially, you must learn to share your message consistently and strategically. Number 4, consistency beats intensity. There will be quiet weeks, quiet months, posts that get little engagement, seasons where growth feels slow. Do not confuse silence with failure. Over 20 years, I've learned that showing up consistently, even when results aren't immediate, builds credibility, trust, and momentum. Number 5, the ripple effect is bigger than you think. I've never imagined training over 1,000 counselors and coaches and social workers and ministers and teachers. I never imagined seeing athletes perform at national, international, even Olympic levels after I've worked with them. I never imagined how far the ripple would travel. And so when you commit to growth and excellence and service for long enough, your work starts impacting people you may never even meet.